This is Mr. Kirla, and we're going to talk about rate of change. The rate of change represents the transition between one event to another one, and we want to see what is the difference in between these two events. So we have here a relation as a table chart, and we're going to find the rate of change for this table chart. So to do that, we're going to group the first two pairs. We're going to group 3 and 1 with 5 and 4, and we're going to find the rate of change. The formula for rate of change is rate of change equals 2 y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to use this formula 3 times here. So for the first rate of change, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, we will have 4 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 3. And this is going to be 3 divided by 2. Then we're going to group the second and the third pair, 5, 4 with 7 and 7, and we're going to find the rate of change for that pair as well. So we're going to have rate of change equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 7 minus 4 divided by 7 minus 5, which is 3 divided by 2. And for our last rate of change, we're going to group the third and fourth, 7, 7 with 13, 11 and 13, and we're going to have rate of change equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 13 minus 7 divided by 11 minus 7, 6 divided by 4, which can be reduced to 3 divided by 2. So for our first example, all rates of change are the same, 3 divided by 2, which means if we would take this relation, plot it on a graph, we would be able to connect these points with a straight line, and the slope of that line would be 3 divided by 2. So this is a happy case. For our second example, we have a graph. This graph represents the miles traveled and how many gallons of gas we have left in the tank. So this is a special graph where, as you notice, the horizontal number line goes by 25. We have increments of 25, and the vertical is just increments of 1, like the regular graphs. So to find the rate of change here, first we will have to identify 2 points on the graph. Well, for the first point, we're going to use the very top one with the coordinates 0 and 10, and our second point, we're going to use this point right here with the coordinate 125 and 6. So writing the formulas, rate of change equals 2 y2 over y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now we're going to plug in the numbers. We will have 6 minus 10 divided by 125 minus 0. We will simplify this into negative 4 divided by 125. So in this case, on problem number 2, the rate of change is exactly like the slope of the line, but we can do rise over run because our number line, or at least our horizontal number line, doesn't go by 1. It doesn't increase by 1, but increase by 25. So the safest way to do it is using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.